So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add background music to your Wix website. So come on ewbsite.com, go for widgets, go for audio and go for background music. Now click on create widget. And here guys, you can also see the bunch of templates. Choose whichever you like and now go for continue with this template. And as you can see guys, you can also customize your template here however you like, its layout, player style, however it is. And now after finishing it, then click on join to install. Now you just have to sign up to your ewbsite account. After that, just click on save button. And now choose this subscription. And now click on this code to copy it and come to your editor.wix.com. Now go for add elements and now embed code and now embed HTML. Now click on this box and paste the code and click on update. And now guys, you can see the background player is on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.